8 years after the gruesome murder of 300-level mass communication student Elozino Ogege, the Delta State High Court sitting in Ogwashioko has sentenced 2 men to death by hanging and freed a security guard. Delivering judgment, Justice Ngozi Azinge found the 2 guilty on 4 counts of kidnapping and murder for ritual purposes, bringing to a close a case that drew widespread public attention. Ikenna Amechi has details.
It was a case that shocked Delta State and the nation. Elozino Ogege, a 300-level mass communication student of the Delta State University, Abraka, was abducted and murdered on November 15, 2018, in what prosecutors described as a ritual killing. 5 suspects were arraigned in 2019, but 2 died during the trial, leaving 3 to face judgment. After years of legal proceedings, Justice Ngozi Azinge delivered judgment on the 8-count charge. The court discharged and acquitted security guard Benedict Uche of all charges, but Macaulay Ogenomaro and Eniake Onorode were convicted of 4 counts, including kidnapping and murder. They received various sentences ranging from 7 years imprisonment to life imprisonment before both were sentenced to death by hanging for the murder charge. The prosecution says the judgment should serve as a strong deterrent against ritual killings and other violent crimes.
So to young men who believe that they want to get rich quickly through ritual killings, through all these methods, eventually you will end up like the first and third defendants in this matter. So today, what I want us to remember is that there was a young woman known as Elozino Joshua Ogege.
For Elozino's family, the judgment brings a measure of closure after nearly 8 years of waiting for justice.
I want to appreciate the media.
It's a good thing for my family. At least now we can finally start healing up. Although the scars remain with us, but finally we can start healing up.
For Benedict Uche, the acquainted security guard, the verdict marks the end of a prolonged legal ordeal and an opportunity to reunite with his wife and 3 children.
Though I lost my parents barely 4 years, both of them in this case, but I'm just happy that my name has been cleared.
The 2 convicted men have been returned to the Ogwashioko Custodial Center. After 8 years of seeking justice for the murder of 300-level mass communication student of the Delta State University, Abraka, Elozino Ogege, the family can now have some closure as the judge has sentenced the culprits, 2 men, to death by hanging. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Ogwashioko.